Hey, what's up guys? Roman here with Huntington Films. This is Ernie. And we're here at Nathan's Auto Garage and we're getting a little bit of clips for him. Yeah, he's gonna start prepping it. Anyway, we're here at Nathan's Garage and we're getting monthly content for him. Right now, we have one of his workers prepping the paint and we're gonna get a little bit of shooting. So, as you can tell, we got Ernie's beautiful shots right now from Ernie. He's killing it. If you could get a little tighter, Ernie, like zoom in a bit. There you go. I like my shots like really zoomed in, kind of hiding, you know, the whole background. I like to focus on the work that's being done and not take your eyes away and attention to what's in the background. Is that S&Q? Is that S&Q? Yeah, okay, cool. I see it. You can throw it on.
Somebody else right here?
Yes. If you can get them on there now, that'd be cool. Can you put this light back over there? I'm sorry, I don't know why my grip got it. Are you zooming in through your finger?
Yeah, I can zoom in.
Oh,
but not
digitally?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Oh, I was like, I thought you were like a worker. I'm like, you want to see? All right, now do the tight shot. My bad, the wide shot. Back up, let's back up a little bit. Sígale. Nice wide shot. You go this way. Wide. Take a step to your left. Let's see what it looks like. Actually, no, go right, you're right. Go more left, there you go. Right. No, you could just move it with your thumb. Yeah, panning. Right. We're gonna do a quick shot real quick. Left to right. Nice, left to right shot. Let me move this fucking mask in. Yeah. There you go. All right, guys, so now we're getting dusty. All right. Now we're getting the essence of Nathan's Garage, right? Nathan actually started with rim repair and rim painting. This is how he started in 2015, 14. I think it was 2016. So this was his baby, and he has a wheel prep, a little station right here, right? This is where they prep it, where they're gonna sand it, get it ready for paint. Right here, I believe this is where they do the actual wheel repair. So as you can tell, there's a little bit of bumps here, a little bit of scratches, you know. But we're just getting ready for that. Ernie's cleaning his camera. I mean, shout out to fucking Nathan, huh?
It's a sensor.
It's a sensor? You wanna blow on it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so there's actually a piece of lint inside the actual sensor. So it took me about 3 years to realize I need to buy a fucking cleaning kit. So Ernie's gonna blow it, he's gonna get that lint out. Check him out, look at that.
Ready?
Ernie's good with his hands, yeah. I can see it a little bit.
Still there?
Oh no, you're good. Damn,
gone, right?
Yeah, it's gone. Go ahead, blow it.
Under.
Smart.
Alright, go ahead.
Yeah, especially like dirty industries, semi-dirty industries like auto body, there's always gonna be somehow, some way, something get inside the sensor, inside the lens. So, you know, bring a cleaning kit, Amazon, 20, 30 bucks. It'll save your freaking life. I don't even know, look, sensor cleaning swab. Didn't even know I owned that. I had no idea. Like a little glove, little Michael Jackson glove. Look at that. I think it's for the sensor, but that's why I like Ernie, man. He really cares about his cameras. He really cares about his work. Quick shout out to Ernie, wherever you are.
Right here.
Let me adjust this. Okay, so now we're gonna start the rim repair. We have Alex there mic'd up. We're gonna ask him a couple questions while he's repairing. but we're gonna set up like a full rim repair shot right now. So we have Rodolfo coming in, Rudy. So they're both gonna be on the station. So let's get both of them like working together. Wide shot, and then a close up of each one. Oh, see. We're gonna ask them a couple questions too. Oh, I got it.
Okay. No, yo no sé usted.
If it doesn't, all right, cool. Oh, okay. Let's get some B-roll of the tools too, like after you get him. Let's get a wide shot of them first, Ernie. Over here, maybe over here. Listo? Right now we're doing a little drone shot. This is kind of overkill. You know, having a drone inside. Some people would think it's overkill or unnecessary, but it really gives it that crazy look, dude. Like no one really shoots inside, dude. They're scared. Look at that. That's like a crane shot, dude. Listo. Gracias. All right, guys. So now we're doing a drone shot of the. We're doing an interior drone shot. Again, it's a little bit of overkill, but I do really like these angles. So if you want to check it out, look at that little top view. Never seen that done before, eh? Very intricate, because I have it in sport mode. Because if I put it in regular mode, it's not going to let you do it because these damn sensors are going crazy. Usually you want to have someone watching the drone while I'm piloting, but we don't. We're good with just me. I'm gonna try to go around it from the back. Hope I'm not kicking up dirt on the damn thing, but it's all good. What is this, a Nissan? A Honda. They just freshly painted it. If you come over here, they kind of feathered it on here to they kind of blended it basically, and it looks really nice. If you guys follow Nathan on Instagram, I mean, his shots are really nice. This looks good. They might have to buff it after, but still, it looks amazing. How they look? Good? Yeah. All right, we're gonna get this side now. Thank you. So we're really looking for like that glare, that shine to it, right? That's the kind of shots we want. If you want to back up a little more, there you go, yeah. Try to get the whole quarter panel. Now they're gonna paint the rims in here too, so I'll probably just have you stand over here, get the rims painted. And then we'll take a little break and then see what we have left, and we'll bounce out. Cool? All right, guys, so that's pretty much, let's go over here by his logo. That pretty much wraps up what we did today for Nathan's Auto Garage. We actually are getting ready for the second week to shoot, March 11th, so sending out a little email for the next 6 videos we're doing for him. So shout out to Nathan, really appreciate it. You know, I don't think he wants to be on camera, so unfortunately I can't interview him right now, but hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys, see how professional we are, the kind of crew that we carry when we go to these shoots. Hopefully you guys can like get a feel for it, all right? This is Roman with Huntington Films, and big shout out to Nathan, man. Nathan.